Well, it's the next night and I flipped it over and I've got KB weld on all four propellers right at the joint just to strengthen it. Thought I had my camera on, I didn't. So, but all you missed was me smearing this, mixing this stuff up and smearing this stuff on there. I wanted to get her started drying. This stuff sets up in 5 minutes. See if I missed any spots. Can't flip it over, it'll run down. See if we can get just a little more on there. That's a rebar. We got a hunk of it on there now. Okay, I guess I can wipe that stick off. I might be able to use it. Ooh, well, this stuff's getting fiery hot. I didn't realize it got that hot. I better get out of these plastic gloves. I'm on blood thinner twice a day. So I sure don't want to cut myself. I'm going to make a mess in here if I do. Went down to the hospital to have my blood checked for my thyroid here not too long ago. They stuck an IV in my arm for a while. Got time to leave there. I didn't think nothing about it. They pulled the needle out. Nurse left the room where I was at. I was busy getting my shirt and stuff on, getting dressed. Next thing I know, there was blood all over the floor of the hospital room I was in. I was just bleeding like a stuck pig. Yeah, I need a little touch-up paint on there. I need to sand down where I glued it to the table the other day. But you know what? There ain't no hurry for that. I'm going to leave it alone. And I'm going to do a Whirligig review where y'all can watch the Whirligig in operation. Of course, it'd be nicer if the wind was blowing out of here. I got a splinter of wood on here. I think I better leave it alone before I screw something up. I'm about to lose my train of thought. Coming up after this, I'll go ahead and conclude this repair for now, pending possible future alterations, but it's not worth continuing this series. I'm quite happy with the fact that this propeller is functioning again. Todd was right, the epoxy helped a whole lot. Even though I'm not a good epoxy applier, I got gobs of it on there. That's going to conclude part 3. Kind of a dismal ending to this series. But I have documented the fact that I made some attempt to repair in this propeller. And coming up, as soon as I can get it uploaded, will be the Whirligig review. It won't take me long at all to upload that. Probably get it up tonight or tomorrow. And it's going to be a pretty good little video. Feels like I need some more epoxy on there. Let's don't say we did. I appreciate all my viewers sticking with me on this Whirligig operation. Also, we got a Yabo video coming up on a new propeller that Todd sent me. That concludes this video. I got to get back on my toy train videos. I've still got to finish that series of videos and completion so I can get them toy trains mailed off to the boy. I'm going to experiment today with this is kind of getting off the subject. I got some paraffin wax here. I rubbed a little on here because this latex paint's kind of dull, flat, not all that smooth. Of course I could have smoothed it a whole lot better with paint, sanding I mean. But I decided to rub some paraffin wax on these toys before I put the wheels on. And just take a rag and buff it smooth as I can get. I might not be putting it on by the right process. But it ain't anything that will harm the child, it's just paraffin wax. Let's take a rag and buff that a little bit. What I need is a buffing wheel on my bench grinder. I'm going to get it brought in here real quick. Get me a buffing wheel. I bet that'd shine like new money if I could hit it with a buffing wheel. But what do I know? It's just an experiment. Can't leave the wax thick like that. And thanks for listening, my friend. This is Pwalpar signing off.